This is Ohidur going to talk about some of your important things that you need to know. You started learning English since your primary school. In our time, English started in class 3. Now the students even start so early, like when the children are 4 years old, when they start studying in a nursery or play like that. But still, after many years, you find that students have not improved their English. There are different reasons why their English has not improved. Number one reason is that the teachers make a mistake. They think that teaching English in a very short period of time is possible, but actually it is impossible. Unless you pass some years, you can't use the language appropriately. Suppose you have learned some English in 1 month and you don't think that the English you have learned can make you speak, can make you read and understand properly. It's really difficult. You have to go for many months. But what I do is here, if you come here, you will learn substantial amount of English in the first month, and you will also learn double in the second month. And after second month or third month, I may not teach you, you may not come to me, but it doesn't matter because your English will keep on improving. That is the mystery, that is the secret in my teaching. If you go to any other place, most likely you have finished your course, you have learnt a little and you have finished your course, and that will be the end of your improvement. As soon as you leave the place, leave the coaching center, leave the private tutor, leave the lessons anywhere, as soon as you finish with the lessons, you will stop improving your English, you will stop practicing your English. It's all because practicing English is not fun, it's not enjoyable, and learning English is not enjoyable to you. So what I tell you is that as you enjoy dramas and watch it for long, the same way you can also watch some other dramas. They're written, they're made in the language English by the American scholars. There you keep on watching these videos. If you go to my channel, if you type Ohidur comedy, then you'll get those videos. These are not my videos, these are actually made by American scholars in such a way so that the students learn English automatically, subconsciously, unconsciously, without any difficulty. They will keep on watching those videos, they will enjoy, they'll smile, and one day, one after another, this is how they will continue watching, and in course of 1 month they can learn a lot of English. In the second month they can learn more English. This is how English will grow. It's like a tree. It will grow. You can't see whether it's growing or not, but actually it is growing. If you wait for 1 month, you will find that the tree has grown a little higher, a little taller. So if you practice English for 1 month, you will find that your English is now better. But the main problem is you cannot practice. That's the problem. As soon as you finish with the lessons, with the teacher, with the coaching center, wherever it is, you will stop learning, you will stop improving English. But the exceptional thing, the mysterious thing that I go about in this language center, this is at University of Information Technology and Sciences at Baridhara Notun Bazar. The bus stop is Bashtala. It's behind Cambrian College, actually twin towers. So the first tower beside the road is the house of Cambrian College, and the behind is the house of UITS. Alright, what I do is I go about finding out what kind of things you will have fun with, you will get pleasure with. I'll find out the interesting items that you are interested in. and I'll show you the videos. These videos can only teach you English because you can continue watching these videos for many hours. You can even continue watching for more than 10,000 hours. If you have finished watching these videos for 10,000 hours, I guarantee that your English is very close to Bangla, your mother tongue. So if you watch these videos, you'll see the subtitles, hard-coded subtitles. Hard-coded subtitles means the subtitles you don't have to turn on by clicking the C button. These will automatically be showing on your screen. This is called hard-coded subtitles. My videos are usually made with hard-coded subtitles so that you don't bother to click the captions, closed captions, CC. At the same time, hard-coded subtitles give better quality. It's bigger, more clear, like that. So if you watch my videos on news, even there are a lot of songs you can watch that I have translated in English, and then I have made these subtitles hard-coded so that students enjoy the songs at the same time. Can practice the songs and can also understand the meaning of those songs in English. In various ways I have tried to make your English improve, but if you don't come to language center, what happens? You'll not be motivated, you'll not be interested. So just attend classes. University is doing it like a charity organization. If students after passing SSC, HSC, or any time students can come here. The thing is that the younger you are, the better, the easier for you, especially in terms of pronunciation. If you are 12 years old or less than 12 years old, and if you get 60 hours lessons from me, you can improve pronunciation, what is very vital, not only for speaking, it is also very important for listening skill. And after I finish with you, you will be interested in improving more and more. You will be watching English programs more and more, and through watching these programs you can automatically improve your pronunciation to the best level. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.